Hello to everyone, and this is Enrican KU. This is the Mastering Ladder Safety, a comprehensive tutorial series on ANSI Standards A14.1 to A14.5, which includes the portable wood ladders, portable metal ladders, fixed ladders, job-made wooden ladders and portable reinforced plastic ladders. Each part of the series will cover a specific ANSI standard and provide detailed guidelines on how to use ladders safely and effectively. By the end of the series, viewers will have a comprehensive understanding of ladder safety and be able to apply the knowledge to their work or personal life. In this part 2 of Mastering Ladder Safety focuses on ANSI A14.2, which provides guidelines for the design, construction, testing, labeling, and safe use of portable metal ladders. This video shall provide all the answers for the questions related to materials, rungs, rails, spreaders, shoes, labeling, load capacity, length, angle, stability, climbing, and electrical hazards related to portable metal ladders. What is ANSI A14.2? ANSI A14.2 is a safety standard developed by the American National Standards Institute, ANSI, that provides guidelines for the design, construction, testing, labeling, and safe use of portable metal ladders, including step ladders, extension ladders, trestle ladders, and their accessories. The standard is intended to promote ladder safety and reduce the risk of accidents and injuries associated with ladder use. Materials: ladders should be made of materials suitable for the intended use and environment. Metal ladders should be made of materials that resist corrosion, such as aluminum or steel. Rungs should be evenly spaced and parallel, with a uniform diameter and a minimum width of 3/4 inch. Rungs should be free of sharp edges or projections that may cause injury or discomfort. Rails should be straight and parallel, with a minimum width of 1.5 inches for single-section ladders and 1.25 inches for multi-section ladders. Rails should be free of bends, kinks, or other defects that may affect strength. Spreaders should be securely attached to the ladder rails and should be free of damage or distortion that may affect their function. Shoes should be slip-resistant and securely attached to the ladder rails to prevent accidental movement or slipping. Labeling: ladders should be labeled with the manufacturer's name, model number, rated load capacity, and the ANSI standard to which they conform. Load capacity: ladders should be designed and tested to support a specific load capacity, which should be clearly labeled on the ladder. Users should not exceed the rated load capacity. Length: ladders should be long enough to reach the intended working surface with a minimum overlap of 3 feet for extension ladders. Angle: ladders should be set up at a 75-degree angle to the ground, with the base of the ladder positioned 1/4 of the working length of the ladder away from the wall or other vertical surface. Stability: ladders should be used on a stable surface, with the ladder feet positioned on a firm, level surface. Ladders should not be placed on boxes, barrels, or other unstable objects. Climbing: Users should face the ladder when climbing up or down and should maintain 3 points of contact with the ladder at all times. Users should not stand on the top 2 rungs of the ladder. Electrical hazards: metal ladders should not be used near electrical equipment unless they are equipped with non-conductive side rails or other safety features. Following the guidelines provided by ANSI A14.2 can help ensure that metal ladders are constructed, used, inspected, and maintained in a safe and effective manner. It is important to regularly inspect ladders for damage or defects and to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper use and maintenance. Users should also receive training on ladder safety and be aware of the hazards associated with ladder use. In the upcoming Part 3, we shall address the ANSI A14.3 fixed ladders. This is the Mastering Ladder Safety series, comprises of 5 parts. Each part of the series will cover a specific ANSI standard and provide detailed guidelines on how to use ladders safely and effectively. By the end of the series, viewers will have a comprehensive understanding of ladder safety and be able to apply the knowledge to their work or personal life. Stay tuned at my YouTube channel, The Enrican. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can ask more questions related to OHS field or suggest topics for next videos. One request to all: kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel The Enrican for more exciting videos.